Last time, we showed you a use case of immediate solutions, an IT service company, AssetIT, and Jira Service Management. They were able to sort out all kinds of customer requests easily with the attachment of specific IT resources. So how do they get everything so neat and easy to find? The answer is that AssetIT allows you to manage resources by asset grouping or by inventory. Which helps you link resources that match Jira service requests. Here is how to do it. First, navigate to the setting icon, then select Issues. Choose Custom Fields tab and click Create Custom Fields. Search for External Assets Platform field and select Next. Let's name this field RAM Check so that it can contain items related to RAM Check requests. Next, choose the screens where you want your new field to appear and update your settings. Now you will be redirected to the list of custom fields. Find the recently created field. Choose the Context tab and click Create, Edit, or Delete Contexts. Then click Edit Filters to organize the data displayed in this field. In this case, I will choose Components to categorize the RAM data. Now go back to the Request Types page where the requests have already been created for the support portal. Choose the request to which you would like to link the asset data. Drag and drop the field we have just created and edit the necessary information. And that's it. Now it will automatically sort out the RAM data only. In case you would like to sort out data by stores or entities, simply add the corresponding inventory during the filter editing process. With these easy steps done, whenever a customer asks for something, your portal will be smart enough to only show the items that perfectly match your customer's request. Interested in other topics? Just ask and we will show what AssetIT can do for you.